The color of festival is just around the corner, and being on keto does not mean that we are not going to enjoy awesome, delicious recipes. I have many recipes like keto gujia, keto, cookies. You can make keto thandai even, and I have come out with a beautiful recipe of keto pan smoothie. Yes, it's a keto pan thandai smoothie, and it's very easy, full on macros and full on taste, and you are just going to love it. So let's begin with it. So for this awesome keto pan thandai smoothie, my mouth is watering. I have taken a little bit of almond milk in a bowl. Yes, I'm dipping the serving bottle first. I'm showing you the preparation of the serving bottle. So I've just taken the serving bottle, which I've dipped the mouth of the serving bottle into the almond milk, and now I'm going to dip it in a box of pistachio powder. Yes, it is just, I have chopped the pistachio and passed it through a chopper, and I have got this powdered form. And here my serving bottle, or whatever you are using, glass, is ready. It looks so festive, And now comes the preparation of the main smoothie. So for the preparation of the smoothie, I am using the betel leaves, yes, the pan leaves. So just take out the stem, remove the stem, just simply throw it in the dustbin, that is not required, and simply you can tear the pan leaves with your fingers and put it in the blender. Try to tear small pieces. You can even slice it with a scissor even, or with a knife even, but this is much easier. And now I am going to drop the other ingredients. So here comes the chia seeds. I have used soaked chia seeds, which I have soaked in almond milk. I have soaked it for at least 2 hours, and if you are in a hurry and you don't have the soaked chia seeds, simply boil water and put the chia seeds and it will be done. Or simply microwave with almond milk in it for 30 seconds and your chia seeds will swell up. So here goes the chia seed mixture with almond milk, or in almond milk you can say. So now I am going to drop the keto thandai powder. Yes, this is the homemade keto thandai powder, of which the recipe is provided above. I have already made 2 videos for it. You can just go and check, it's provided above. I am dropping 2 tablespoons of it, and some sugar-free erythritol. Yes, I am dropping some sugar-free erythritol also goes into it. And now I am going to add some cottage cheese or paneer. You can add that, or if you have protein whey, you can add that even, because I am increasing its protein portion or the protein macros even. So I am making it a protein rich smoothie. Here I am adding some water. This is my ice cold water I am adding to it. Some ice cubes also goes into it. This will help in the mixing of the mixture, that is, it will help into blend. So here I am blending it. It looks so lovely, and after blending, see, I'll show you, it's so thick and so creamy. Yes, the cottage cheese has given a lovely creaminess to this smoothie. So here I am serving in the already decorated bottle which I had shown you earlier. Here it goes in it. Isn't it thick and creamy? Awesome. Perfect. My mouth is watering. You can add oil even into it if you want to increase the fat macros of it. Yes. And if you don't want to add oil, you can simply omit it, because I forgot to add oil into it. So here I am dropping some almond slivers goes into it, some rose petals. These are your dried rose petals to give some beautification to enhance its beauty. I am adding some red color by adding some rose petals, and see, lovely. Doesn't it look gorgeous? And my smoothie, can you see those black? Those are the chia seeds. It's truly nutritious, filling, and super tasty. So here I play the Holi with the Pichkari. So once again, wishing you all happy Holi, and don't forget to make this keto smoothie and play the festival of colors or Holi with lots of fun and frolic. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And also, if you want my consultation as a dietitian, you can simply fill the form which is provided below. Thank you.